Hello guys, on today's video we're going to use this glass and we're also going to use this string lights and just place it inside like that. Just place it all the way to the bottom, then just make sure to lift it up to the top like that so it won't show. Then after you do that, I'm going to take this greenery and I'm just going to place it right inside the jar like that. I'm going to use two of these, so I'm going to just go ahead and bend the bottom part just to make it a little bit shorter and then place it in the other side like that. Then after you guys do that, just go ahead and grab this roses and I'm gonna place it in the mirror like that. It was too little, so I'm just gonna go ahead and place another little roses of branches of little roses in the other side. Then after you guys do that, I'm gonna grab the light, the box, and I'm just gonna place it inside the greenery like that. I'm just trying to cover up so it won't show in the base. Then go ahead and grab this cute little white little branches and I'm gonna place it around the centerpiece. So in this one, we can leave it as that, as a regular centerpiece for your table, or we can add a little bit more. So I'm going to use these little branches, and you can also leave this one as a centerpiece just with a branch like that. But then for the a gift idea, I'm going to place a heart right in the middle, and then I'm going to take the little part of the branches and I'm going to place it inside the candy hearts and just place it inside. And the reason I'm doing it with the branches is so it will show the greenery. So because if I do it with a stick, it will show the brown. So then I'm just going to go ahead and fill it up with candy. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. I think this came out so pretty and it's so easy that you guys can do at home. And the good thing is that this one you could transform into a centerpiece or you could transform it into a gift idea. It's up to you which one you guys want to use. So this is the other one that you can leave it as simple as that, or you could put the candy in here as well. I'm just giving you a different idea. You decide which one you guys would like to do. Also, you could use the clear paper in this one. I couldn't find it in my store, but I think it will look great as well for a gift. Now, for the next idea, I'm gonna take one of this candle holder, and they have this little plastic bowl, and I'm just going to go ahead and put some hot glue in the candle holder, and then I'm going to attach the plastic bowl on top. Then after that, after I attach, I'm going to grab my spray paint and spray paint it in gold like this. Then go ahead and grab your floral foam, put enough hot glue like that all the way around it, and then place it right in the middle until you attach it into place. Then after that, just go ahead and grab your flower and your stick and then place it inside here. Around it, just place different colors. I'm going to do some red and some white around it until you fill out the whole thing around it. Then I'm also going to do cute little white little branches around it just to make it look super cute. This one you can leave as a centerpiece like that, but I'm also going to do it a gift idea. So if you want to do the gift idea, go ahead and put some heart candy and put it in the stick and then just fill it up around like that, and then just do a few of this candy all the way around to do as many as you guys will like. Then after that, I'm gonna take this little heart and I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter. So I'm just gonna place it up, all the way down and then just make it, place it right there, right in the middle. And then just go ahead and put little heart candy, different colors. So this one is how it turns out, just to be a centerpiece for your home for this Valentine. And then this one is for a gift idea, which I think came out super cute and looks great. Also, this one you get up the clear paper as well. In today's video, we're going to use these boxes from Dollar Tree. I used this one before, the black one. I just spray painted in black. You could do any color that you guys would like. Then I'm going to take this teddy bear. I'm going to take the tag off. You could get any other teddy bear and just place it like that around the box. And to be able to hold it, I'm going to take this heart string. You can use any string that you guys have, and then just place it around it like that. And the way I'm going to hold it to attach, I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue in the heart and then attach it to the box like that from both sides. Once you attach it like that, just cut out the extra pieces. Then after you cut the extra pieces, grab a floral foam and put enough hot glue and then go ahead and place it right in the middle like that and attach it into place. Once you do that, we're going to go ahead and grab the flower and place it around it. And here I'm going to do some white and red, and make sure to use the stick there and then place it inside. And then I decided just to put the red in the middle instead. Then go ahead and grab a little greenery or branches, whatever you have, and place it in the back. Then go ahead and grab your candy and place it around it like that. I got this cute little love sign. I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue and then attach a stick in the back like that, and then place it right in the back. You can leave it like that or just get add up a little more in the back. It's up to you. So this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is without the heart in the back. This is more simple and easy that you guys can do at home, or you could just add add up the heart like I did this one, which I think it looks super cute and it's like more a little bit more extravagant than the other one. And make sure to add more chocolate to it, because I didn't have enough. My kids ate it all, and we under a storm, we cannot go out, and I wanted to make a cute DIY for you guys, so I just go ahead and did it like that to give you the idea. Now for the next idea, I'm gonna grab one of this glass from Dollar Tree as well. I'm gonna go ahead and use cookie. You can use whatever cookie the person likes that you're gonna give the gift, and then just go ahead and fill it up. Make sure to wear gloves, and then I'm gonna take this clear paper, kitchen paper, and I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the extra pieces because we don't want it to show. Then take this floral foam and place it inside like that because I don't want the floral pieces to come out to the cookie. So that's why I put the paper there. You don't have to, but I decided to do it like that. Then go ahead and grab your flower and place it around as well. We're gonna do the whole thing all the way around until we complete the whole thing out. Once you do that, I'm also gonna go ahead and grab this chocolate and place it around as well. Put as many as you can. Then I'm gonna go ahead and grab that teddy bear that we used before, and we're going to do the same thing. Grab the little ribbon and attach it to the little base like that to attach it into place. Then once you attach it, then I'm gonna take the little love sign and place it on top. And I'm also here gonna grab the hearts and place it on top like that. So you could do without the heart or you could do with it. So this is how beautiful it turns out without it, which I think is super cute, super easy that you guys can do. And make sure to add a little bit more chocolate if you guys would like. And don't forget to place anything inside, not just cookie that the person would like. It could be chocolate or candy, whatever they like. And this is the one with the heart. You decide which one you like, without or with the heart. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Lily, and I hope you guys like this DIY. Let's not forget to like, share, and comment down below letting me know what you guys think. I grabbed one of these boxes from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go ahead and take some white flowers and some red and place it inside just like that. And go ahead and grab a few chocolate and place it with a stick so I can attach it in place. Then I took this heart, metal heart. I'm going to place one in the front and another one in the back, just like that. Then I place a little heart and a few chocolate on the side as well. Then I took this teddy bear. I'm going to take some hot glue and attach it in place. And this is how cute it turns out. This is like something so cute and easy that you guys can do so you can give your loved ones. I hope you guys like it. You could also just wrap it in clear paper as well. So today we're going to use this box of chocolate. So we're going to grab one of the teddy bear that you have any available. Then we're going to place it right in the back. And to be able to hold it, just put a tiny bit of hot glue just to hold it into place. And then you could be able to take it apart once you want to eat the chocolate. Then go ahead and grab one of this cute little balloon and just cut it a little bit because it will be too long. Then put a little bit of hot glue and then just attach it to the back of the box. Put a flower right in the middle, and this is how cute, you guys. This is something simple that you want to give somebody, something so cute, simple, and special. Now for the next idea, I grabbed one of this candle holder. We're going to use one of this floral foam, put a little hot glue and attach it into place. Then grab your flower and then just go ahead and attach flower around your floral foam. Then after that, I'm going to take my chocolate with a little bit of hot glue and attach it into place. And this is how beautiful, you guys, it turns out. This is with only a red flower that you guys can do, and I think it looks so pretty and it's so great. And you can also just do it with white and red. You decide which one you like better. And the good thing about this one, you can also do some clear paper and it looks great. Thanks again for watching Special Creations by Nelly.